Yeah.
I think I want a tattoo today. Transfer my inner pain to my outer brain.
The needle can take me out of the fetal position, oh yes it can. I won't deny I'm a twisted man with a gifted wrist in hand, to jerk myself around in the head in the bedroom, and my plan is to make insanity insane for me to act upon. Awake at dawn after long dreams all night, I could not sleep, thinking about her, and I prefer not to use my words except to call my man to see if he can hook me up with ink. Stare at the ball, think about nothing but where this pain will take me to. Sadomasochistic mystic man mixed up in a step from the brink, etched in my skin with a wretched grin. Disperse my sins and I'll count to 10 when you set up the gun. Let's have some fun, the worse the pain, the bigger the smile. Now watch me sink into that chair that is therapy to me. To an artist that might seem sick, and you might be right, but don't knock until you try it. Stop all that talking and denying. This buzz will keep your head quiet for a minute, you will not think, and that's all a man can ask for nowadays. Transfer my inner pain to my outer brain. Yeah.
I think I want a tattoo today.